Welcome to this tutorial on setting up WorldPay, a leading online payment processing system. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating WorldPay into your website, allowing you to start accepting payments from customers worldwide. First, you need to create a WorldPay account, which can be done by visiting the WorldPay website and filling out the registration form. You will be required to provide basic business information, such as your company name, address, and contact details. Once your account is created, you will receive a unique merchant ID, which is essential for setting up your payment gateway. Next, you need to choose the type of payment gateway that suits your business needs. WorldPay offers various payment solutions, including online payment gateways, in-store payment terminals, and mobile payment solutions. For online businesses, the online payment gateway is the most suitable option. This allows your customers to pay for goods and services directly on your website. To set up the online payment gateway, you need to configure the payment settings on your WorldPay account. This includes setting up the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers. You also need to configure the payment currencies and set up any additional payment options, such as recurring payments or refunds. After configuring the payment settings, you need to integrate the WorldPay payment gateway into your website. This can be done using the WorldPay API, which provides a range of integration options, including hosted payment pages, payment buttons, and direct server-to-server integration. The integration process typically involves generating a payment token, which is used to authenticate the payment and redirect the customer to the WorldPay payment page. To ensure a seamless payment experience, it is essential to test the payment gateway thoroughly. WorldPay provides a sandbox environment that allows you to test payments without actually processing any transactions. This is an excellent way to verify that the payment gateway is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments before going live. Finally, once the payment gateway is set up and tested, you can start accepting payments from customers. It is essential to monitor your payment transactions regularly and keep your WorldPay account up to date to ensure uninterrupted payment processing. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a reliable and secure payment gateway using WorldPay, providing your customers with a smooth and convenient payment experience.